Okay, working out. Sandy. Okay, just sanding away. I gotta do the final. I think it's still going. Whatever, final sanding on it, and then I got a couple spots I gotta add a little more. It's gotta be a 1/4 inch thick everywhere, so getting there, getting there. This part right here in the bottom, I'm gonna do one more layer of glass, and anyway, then it's gel coat time, and then that crazy thing, you know what you gotta do with that? 20,000 hours of it. That's a boat though, sanding. Anyway, it's getting there. I think it's gonna look pretty good. Okay, bye.